This video is a quick review on how to create the body from Mechanical Drawing 1. Some students were having some issues with certain levels, so I'm just going to kind of go through it once again. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this portion first. We're going to add the radius right there, and then we're going to give a thickness. So let's go to FreeCAD, and we're going to go create sketch, some XY. And now from there, I'm going to look at this line here is 36, and this line going up according to this is 32. So let's go over to FreeCAD, and I'm going to make a rectangle, and I'm going to start from origin, which is 0, tab, 0, enter. I'm going to bring it out. I'm going out to the top, and I'm going to go 36, tab, 32. Okay, so once I've done that, I've got my basic rectangle. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to left click on this line, and I'm going to select delete. So once I've done that, I'm going to go over here and let's create arc by center. So this demonstration, I'm going to use create arc by center, which is the first offering in the selection drop-down menu. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. Now please, if you're going to copy this exact, what this is going to do is it's going to put the x coordinate, which is at the top right there, in negative. So it's going to be negative 36. Then tab, that's going to be 16, because we want that in the center. And the center of 32 is 32 divided by 2, which is 16. So click. Now I'm going to go up with my mouse. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to left click with the mouse. Make sure it says 16 though at the top, okay? So go click, and then I'm going to bring it down like this. And I'm going to go to that white dot once again and make sure it says 180 degrees. Go click. Now everything should look good. I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to close. I'm going to zoom out so we can see the entire thing. We did not get an alert about broken wire, which is a good sign. I'm going to click on pad. If we refer to our instructions here, this thickness is 11. So let's go to our FreeCAD. I'm going to type in 11. I'm going to hit enter. And there we go. Here's our first thickness. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this surface here. Click. I'm going to go to create sketch. I like to put this in isometric just to make sure I can see it, and I'm going to get that corner. I'm going to select rectangle, and what I'm going to do is, so we want to make sure we know what's what and where everything's going. 0, tab, 0, enter. Okay, so we have it at the origin. That's what we want. So the left number that's highlighted is going to be this thickness here, which is 11. Okay? So that's going to be 11. 11, tab, and the second one that's highlighted is going to be 32, enter. Okay, I'm going to hit escape. Let's see, let's double check our instructions, and this distance here is 18, so this thickness that we're trying to create should be 18 as well. So let's go to FreeCAD, close, pad, and I'm typing in 18. Okay, there's our thickness for that. Now here's the spot where some people are having issues for whatever reason. So I'm going to create the final layer. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to select sketch. Once again, I'm going to go isometric so I've got a better view. I'm going to click rectangle. I'm going to go here. Now that's the origin. So I'm typing in two numbers. 0, tab, 0, enter. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this over. The first number that's highlighted on the left, as per our instructions, should be 36. Tab, this one should be 32. Enter. Okay. Let's go escape. I'm going to right click on this line here, select delete. I'm going to go to top. Let's click on, make sure, I'm going to use create arc by center once again, and I should be clicking on negative 36, tab 16.00, and enter. I should now be going up to that top there. Now once again I'm using the mouse, but I'm making sure that that highlighted number says 16. I'm going to left click, I'm going to bring it back down, and we should have 180. And I'm on that dot down there. 180, click, okay. Let's escape out of this. Let's close. Let's go pad, and let's go 11. Okay, so everything worked out. Now, some of the things that some issues might arise is make sure you know if you're in the negative, like when you're addressing the X coordinate, if it's negative. If you did exactly like mine, it would be negative. Once again, some people forget that when they're typing in the origin, they're typing in 0 and 0 once again, because this is 0 in the X and it's 0 in the Y. And then you bring it over and you are keying in your second set of coordinates, which is two numbers as well. I hope that addressed some of the issues. If there's still ongoing problems, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.